Well, the big movers from yesterday, right? We'll just quickly address it with regards to what lies behind the price action that you saw on the screen. Hormuz is here, as always. Hormuz, take it away.
Prashant, some interesting names that emerged on this list. Allied Digital Services was one such name, and yesterday's move was the biggest single-day gain since October of last year. Volumes were the highest since September of last year. Almost a crore, more than a crore shares that changed hands yesterday. You take a look at the 20-day average, that's only 1.5 lakh. And the delivery volumes as well were 14 lakh shares marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of 80,000. And the stock is still down 21% this year and well over 40% below its 52-week high. The other interesting name is Kross, and that stock is up around 43% in the last 1 month. And over this last 1 month, we've seen increased trading activity in the stock. Now, from September 16th of last year till the 21st of August this year, the average daily traded volume was just around 5.5 lakh shares. From the 22nd of August till yesterday, the average daily traded volume has increased to 75 lakh shares. Now, yesterday's session, we had around 4.5 crore shares change hands compared to a 20-day average of around 60 lakh shares, and 10.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of around 5.5, almost 6 lakh shares. Now, why 16th of September is important? Because 16th of September last year was the day when the stock made its trading debut, and despite this 43% up move in the last 1 month, the stock is still below its IPO price. Now, Ixigo is the one, we spoke about this on closing yesterday. Third straight day of falls, almost 15% now in the last 3 trading sessions, has given up all the gains that it had at the start of the month. And look at the volumes here. Over the last 3 sessions, anywhere between 50 lakh to 1.5 crore shares. Even yesterday, we had 1.3 crore shares change hands, 20-day average of 37 lakh, and 40 lakh shares were marked for delivery, which is a 20-day average of just 11 lakh shares. And the last name on the list is Orient Technologies, is the biggest single-day gain and volume since November of last year. We've had more than 10 lakh shares traded in a single session for the first time after March of this year. We had almost close to 30 lakh shares traded compared to a 20-day average of 1.5 lakh, and 6 lakh shares were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just 72,000 shares. It has done well. It listed last year. The stock is up almost 70% from its IPO price.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot, Hormuz, for joining in and giving us, all of those stocks that you spotted.